Hello everyone, we are going to talk about QMR pattern. QMR pattern is a reversal trading pattern that appear at the end of trend. As a price formation, QMR pattern is depicted by three peaks and two valleys. Middle peak is the highest, while the outside two peaks are the same height. To trade the QMR pattern, you must identify your entry point, stop loss point, and then take profit point. Here we have an uptrend. I draw the trend lines. This is resistance line, and this one is support line. Okay. This high is the final high in the uptrend, and this is the final low in the trend. I write this. Higher high is final high in the uptrend, and low is final low in trend. And this is high and lower low is here. You see, higher high is above the high level, and lower low is under low point. Here is a QM demand zone. Sell point is high level. Sell and try. Point is here, high level. Stop loss is higher high point. Okay, and TP1 is low point. TP2 is lower low. So L is TP, take profit 1, and TP2 is lower low. Point. Okay, we are going to show this process in downtrend. This is a downtrend. I show trend lines. This is resistance line, support line, and this one resistance line. Here is final low in downtrend, and this is final high in trend. Lower low is here. High is here. Low and higher high. Higher high is above the high level and lower low is under low level. In downtrend, our demand zone is here. I identify it. QM demand zone. Okay, and lower low is a stop loss point, high level is take profit 1 and higher high is TP2 or take profit 2 point. Now I identified that 5 point is here. Stop loss is lower low point. TP1 is high level and TP2 is higher high level. You see QMR pattern is like the shoulder pattern. We enter the purchase and sell transaction on right shoulder. Right shoulder in uptrend is here and in the downtrend is here. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Now we are going to show these pattern samples in the market. Here we have a downtrend. This point is low point, high point, and here is lower low, here higher high. I show this point on the chart: low, high, lower low, and higher high. You see, higher high point is above the high point, and lower low point is under L or low level. We are going to trade in this level here. This point is buy point. Our stop loss is LL level and take profit point is high, and take profit 2 is higher high point. Our risk reward ratio is 1.19, and this is a normal trade. And here we have an uptrend. Here is high point, low point, higher high, lower low, I showed this high is here, low is here, higher high and lower low is here. Higher high point is about the high point, and lower low is under low point. We are going to trade on the right shoulder or high level here. Here is sell point. Our stop loss is higher high point, and our take profit is lower low or low level. Low level is TP1 and lower low is TP2. Lower low is TP2, and our risk to reward ratio is 1.07. This is a good trade too. Okay guys, have a good time. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and support me.